where the ocean breathes around them all. Every heartbeat shared so near, every whisper someone hears, in the space where limits keep the world contained, the ties run deep. Here connection feels like home, even though the sea has endless roam. On this island made of light, where the boundaries feel just right, people learn to grow in peace, finding harmony in what they keep. Close together side by side, in the ebb and in the tide, every moment small but true, holding what belongs to you. Gentle life, where walls are clear, where what we cherish stays sincere. Nothing wasted, nothing strained, only simple love sustained. Though the world is vast outside, this small haven feels like pride. Every bond a chosen thread, every word with meaning said. On this island made of light, where the boundaries feel just right, people learn to grow in peace, finding harmony in what they keep. Close together side by side, in the ebb and in the tide, every moment small but true, holding what belongs to you. Surrounds, yet the heart